multiple welding line operation teaching. This interpolation can be used to weld many welding lines. Click to start. Drag the robot to a safe spot. Click this button. Join the Safe Point program. Drag the welding head to the welding start point. Click this button. You can see this program from the screen. Drag the robot to the first welding point. Click this button. You can see this welding point program from the screen. No welding required for this pass. So drag the robot to another welding start point. Click this button. Next, proceed to the second pass of welding. Drag the robot to the second welding point. Click this button. Finally, move to a safe location. Click this button. After all operations are completed, press and hold this button and release it when it shows green. Start the robot now. End of welding.